Hey guys, it's Warren here and welcome back to the LEGO family channel. Now today I'm going to show you how you can make a really cool festive scene for around the bottom of your tree using Duplo bricks. And firstly, let's make some festive trees. They're really easy to make out of Duplo bricks, and all you'll need are these green and brown bricks and a star to put on top. And next, let's make a festive stocking. Again, you'll just need some simple bricks, and why not alternate the colours to make a really funky stocking. And now a great piece to put under the tree. Here's how to make a miniature fireplace using Duplo bricks. And why not also add some coloured bricks to add some fuel and flames to your fireplace. And next, to go with the other gifts under the tree, why not make some more presents using multicoloured bricks. These are really easy to make. You can use all different shapes and colours for your presents, and remember to stick a bow on top as well. And now for something really simple, why not make a Duplo sledge with just these few bricks and a miniature Duplo person. And now let's take a quick look at the Santa's Winter Holiday set, which is also great for a few extra bits to put under the tree. And firstly, you can make this really cool snowman with a red scarf and an orange hat. The set also comes with a really big tree that has a star on top as well. And here's a festive fact for you. Did you know the tradition of placing a tree in the home over the holidays originated in Estonia and then later Germany? And now it's something we do all over the world to celebrate the festive season. And what would this time of year be without Santa and his sleigh and a reindeer to pull it along? This will also look great under our tree, and it also comes with a bunch of presents to put in the sleigh, as well as a Santa and Santa's hat. And did you know that Santa originally had 8 reindeers to help pull his sleigh along, and it wasn't until one foggy night that Rudolph joined the crew to help guide Santa through the bad weather. And one final thing in the set to place under our tree is this really cool snow ramp to sledge down. So let's hope for some of the white stuff this year so we can all have a bit of fun in the snow. Okay, now I think that's everything we need to make our festive scene for under the tree. And to make it really come alive, place some Duplo base plates under the tree and then put everything you've built on top. And why not also add the Duplo steam train for a great finishing touch. And there you have it, that's how you can easily make this really cool festive scene for under the tree using many Duplo bricks you may already have. And remember, if you don't have any base plates, no problem. Simply cut out some coloured card for a similar effect. And remember to leave some space for a few gifts from Santa if you've been good this year. Happy holidays! Now there are loads of creative ways you can use Duplo bricks to help your child develop. And also remember to subscribe to the LEGO family channel for loads more tips and hacks to help make your life just that little bit easier.